Hello everyone, my name is Vutha. I'm a junior majoring in civil engineering, and in this video I will show you how to solve a static exercise using this website right here called PermaLearn. So let's take a look at our exercise first. In this exercise, they want us to draw the shear and moment diagram for the beam. So this beam right here, as you can see. So I will divide this beam into two members, from point A to this middle point right here, and also from point B to this middle point right here, which each member has the length of 3 meters. So let's go to our website. First is you want to add our first member, which is 3 meters. Go to this option right here, which is called the horizontal distance from the beginning point. Let's add it 3 meters. And you want to add another one, which is from this point. It also 3 meters. Okay, now let's take a look at our support first. So at point A, it has a support of pin, and at point B is roller. So let's go to support and select our joint. So at joint A is pin, so let's add it. And also our joint at the end is roller right here, so let's add roller. Okay, now let's take a look at this distributed load right here. So from joint A, it is 6 kilonewton per meter, and it also 6 kilonewton per meter from point B to this middle point right here. So let's go to this option here, which is linearly distributed load. So first let's select our member. So our member 1 is from point A to this middle point right here. As you can see, this load is vertically, so let's choose the vertical load. And be careful with the sign convention. In this website, we take y positive, it is upward. So let's add it. It is 6 kilonewton. So and it's going downward, so it should be negative 6. So and our end load is just 0. You can put decimeter. Okay, alright, let's go to our second member. So from our member here, it is from the end load. It is from the end to the middle point right here. So it should be at the end load right here, minus 6, and add it. Okay, and now you can go to the solution. It's right here. So we want to know the shear and moment, right? Now you remember that you can only select one at a time. Here is our shear moment. You can unpick this load to make it clear. Okay, here is our shear, and for our moment diagram is here. And if you want to make sure that it is right and wrong, you can take a look at the solution. It's right here. So this is our exercise. Okay, let's take a look at shear first. Okay, as you can see, the value of shear at this point is 9 kilonewton. And if you want to see the value, you can put your mouse cursor at any point you want to see. So this point is 9 kilonewton. and this point it is minus 9 kilonewton. It is the same, so it's right. And now let's go to the bending moment. So you can see that the critical point is 9, and here it is also 9, so it means that it's right. That's it for this video, and I hope you learned something from this video. Goodbye.